In this video we'll look at how we can uh, use the template we had downloaded. So this is the basic Django app. Now we will have to create another app. So there is a project, right, which we have created now for like they have written a creating a polls app. So anything, so Django is like a project is there and then multiple apps are there. So we'll create one small app and we name it say front page, because we just want one page. This will also create certain code. So now if we go back to Sublime, this one sort of code is created, and now we will create a small view. So view is what logic is there, right? So we can say, or first let's create a URL on which this will be rendered. So you can say like R and the basic, then you can say front page, as I'll show you what I'm writing. So what we will do is, in this we will create a, which is a template view class. So I know this template name is equal to whatever front page dot html. I have not created it as yet, I am just writing it down. And from Django dot generic views import template view, or I'm not sure, let's try it out. Django template view import. I don't remember where you can import this view. Okay, views dot generic, not generic dot views. Okay, this is there. So we will have to now create a templates folder. Okay, so what I will do, new folder, and I will name it as templates, and inside that folder I will create a new file and save it as frontpage.html. Okay, so what this view is doing is uh, just returning that template, right? Nothing else. This HTML I can, very simple page, front page just, and also in the URL we had put that so it's not like this, you have to start with this and it should end with this. So, or you can do like this. So it says that if on the localhost anything comes, then it should be directed to this view. Also you have to import that view, so you can say from front page, this is the app, import front page, right? And also in the settings you will have to add this app, front page app, and in the templates also you have to add this template, the directory that we created, the folder that we created. Okay, I'm just not sure about if this regular expression will work, but let's try it out. Okay, the server is not running. So how to run the server? Okay, R is not defined in this so this is not a correct regular expression. Let's see in the other project I have done it, how we have done that there. So see, I don't remember all the stuff, right? So okay, so inside URL you have to put this. Okay, fine, don't have to put it. So we are saying if this means the start, if there is it, the URL pattern does not it starts with nothing, ends with nothing, which is the original page. Then redirect to this view, and view is this, and this template name. Let's see if this works. First, our URL is not defined, so from again we'll have to take help from the other project. Django conf. So from here we can include that. Okay, it's working fine now. Okay, we got the test, right? This is what it was, not this one, right? So what we said, if the front page or if blank URL is hit, then this view should be used to serve it, and this is the view which has nothing, just a template, simple template view, and template had test, right? Test 1 2 3 5, right? Then you will see that there. Okay, in the next video we'll see how we can finally add our template to this, because we don't want a blank page. Thank you.